Hey Jitwa, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is a water fountain that's for your pet. So you see, this is basically what the packaging looks right here, and it's from the brand called Eufy, which is also under the brand Anchor. And you see in this part right here, they show you guys some of the features and specs on here as well. If we turn to the back right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well right here. So that is basically what the packaging looks right here. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. Let's take everything out. Alright, so the first thing you see inside right here is basically the splash guard option. So you basically want to put this on top to prevent any water from splashing out. And once we take off this little cover right here, you guys can see that's what it actually looks like inside right here. So they do provide guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set the product and also how to use it as well. And then right underneath that, we have the actual product right here, and it's all nicely wrapped up. But let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you see in the front part right here, they do have the Eufy logo right here. And they add this very cool design on the side right here to make it look like cat whiskers or something. So that is basically where the water will come out. And I'm assuming this is where the water will go down. And right here, you can see they provide guys the cord. So basically, I'm plugging the cable on this side right here to actually activate it. And we see in the bottom part here, they do have the non-slip material on the bottom. So that way the product won't keep on moving around once you guys fully set it up. And basically, once you guys open up this part right here, this actually looks like inside right here. So they do have the different stages of filtering on that part right there. And then see inside right here, there's a bunch of stuff as well. So let's take everything out. Alright, so first thing inside right here, they do provide a wall charger that has a USB outlet. Next up right here, they provide you guys a high quality nylon braided cable right here. So you definitely want to actually plug this in to actually recharge the product and activate it. And then inside this bag right here, it looks like they provide you guys the filter option right here. So you probably want to put this inside the actual product to actually help you guys filter the water, which should be this part right here. So we twist it to open up. If you can see inside right there, they already have the filter inside. So basically the other one I just showed you guys, that is basically like a backup option. So that way if you guys need to replace it, you definitely can. So it's basically the same thing as the other one that we got on the other side right here. And then we see inside right there, they do have the filter balls inside right there as well. So basically for the filter part right here, for both different options right here, when you guys add all that together, there's a total of 5 different filtering stages on here. So that way the water can definitely be clean when you guys first use it. And obviously if it's the first time using the product, you definitely want to fully soak it first before you guys get the water for your pet to drink. And for this part right here, they mentioned how it's actually really quiet once you guys fully activate it. And also if you see inside right here, that is basically where the pump is. So that's where the water will actually come out to dispense water under the top part, which is this part right here. So once the water comes out right here, you guys will actually get the water throughout this part right here, and actually will go back inside right here and actually restart the same step over and over. So that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Let me actually put this down and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all set right here. If you can see, we do have the guard protection on here. So that way when they drink water on here, it won't splatter all over the place. But basically right now, you can see we do have the water inside. And the reason why there's water inside is because I want to fully fill it. So that way the filter can be soaked first. So I'm going to turn on the actual product as well. So you can see when I actually activate it right here, you can definitely see the water comes out right there. And basically what I'm doing right now is letting it actually clean off the filter and everything first. So I'll leave it for 5 minutes and come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been around 5 minutes. Let me actually pour out the water and then test it out to show you guys how it works. So you can see when I actually fill the water inside right here, you can definitely see the minimum and maximum line right here. So you definitely want to make sure it's above minimum but below maximum line right here. But I'm just going to test this out to show you guys how it works. Alright. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work right here. But let's test it out on a pet to see how they like it. Alright. So you can definitely see that they do like it. And the perfect size for your pet to use it. But you can see when they drink the water on here, it definitely has the splash guard on the side to protect any water from coming out. Alright. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work. It works perfectly for big dogs and small dogs. Alright, welcome back guys. So next a quick test, the product definitely see that actually does work and it works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process didn't take that long, it's actually pretty easy. Once you guys set up the filter option for around like 5 minutes, then you should be fine and ready to start using it. Just like how I'll show you guys in the video. But you definitely see the water flow actually comes off really easily and actually it's really quiet once you guys activate it. And definitely love the way how they designed this product as well because of that splash guard option on the side. So that way when your pet is drinking water out of the actual product, it won't splash all over the floor. Especially if you guys have like a bigger pet. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys like a pet owner, if you guys have like a dog or a cat, If you guys want to actually get like a high quality water fountain that is filtered to give clean water for your pet to drink, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.